Is it recommended to do Atkins diet? What kind of diet is it? This diet is a low carbs diet that contains up to 30 grams carbs per day, or up to 5% of the daily calories are from carbs. For comparison, in a normal balanced diet, 45 to 65% of the calories are carbs, and the rest of the calories comes from proteins and fats. What are the principles of the diet? The Atkins diet consists of 4 phases. The first phase is induction. In this phase, you can eat up to 20 grams of carbs per day. You stay in this phase for at least 2 weeks. The second phase is balancing. In this phase, you should gradually add back some rich carbs nutrients. You stay in this phase until you lose about 4.5 kilos of your body weight. The third phase is pre-maintenance. In this phase, you continue to gradually add back rich carbs nutrients. You stay in this phase until you reach your goal weight. The last phase is lifetime maintenance. You move into this phase when you reach your goal weight, and then you continue this way of eating for life. What kind of food can be consumed? During the all stages, it's recommended to eat fish, eggs, beef, poultry, butter, cream, fatty cheeses, olive oil, and other protein-fat-rich foods unlimitedly. Vegetables can be also consumed, but limitedly and without stretchy vegetables. What kind of food should be avoided? In the first stage of the diet, you should completely avoid from pasta, bread, cereals, fruits, nuts, seeds, legumes, caffeinated beverages, alcohol, added sugar, and stretchy vegetables like potatoes and sweet potatoes. From the second stage of the diet, you can add these products gradually. What is the biological mechanism of the diet? This diet reduces the carbohydrates intake to minimum. This reduction creates ketosis condition in the body. In this state, the body is in carbohydrates energy deficiency. Therefore, to compensate on the deficiency and to supply energy to the body, it starts to utilize fat stores, which cause to rapid weight loss. In addition, the diet reduces the hunger, which results in less eating. The hunger reduction is apparently because of the ketosis state and the big amount of protein that consumed in this diet. Does this diet really work? In the short term, yes. In the first 3 months of the diet, the body weight loss is faster compared to other diets that contain carbohydrates. But in the long run, 1 or 2 years from the diet, there is no difference in the body weight loss compared to any diet. What are the disadvantages of the diet? The most significant problem of the diet is that it's very difficult, even impossible, to keep up such a strict carbohydrate restriction. In addition, this diet can cause to essential vitamins and minerals deficiency, bad mood, irritability, headache, dizziness, weakness, fatigue, constipation, and in rare cases, the protein overload can damage the kidney. What are the benefits of the diet? This diet has been found to be effective in lowering the triglycerides, cholesterol, and sugar blood levels, and to raise the HDL cholesterol, the good cholesterol. In addition, it's been found as an effective strategy to lose weight and improve the cardiovascular health. The bottom line is that the protein diet, the Atkins diet, is a good option for people who want to lose weight fast and are able to stick to a very low carbohydrates menu. This diet is not suitable for everyone, and it's highly recommended to consult with a clinical dietitian before starting with this diet. Thank you for watching. If you like the video, please like and subscribe. Feel free to comment and ask questions.